Hello, visionaries and future master photographers. I'm Joe McNally, and I've been called the Pro's Pro, which I'll take. You know, since day one of my career, I've tried to be a complete photographer. That's why today I'm unveiling a 6-day masterclass in photography. It's called The Complete Photographer. This is a deep dive. I've never done anything that is of this scope, the density of detail, the exclusivity of it. If you are interested in taking your skills from here and go off the charts, if you want to skyrocket your camera work and your artistry, this, as they say in the movies, is your golden ticket. This is not your run-of-the-mill workshop. Let's forget the fluff. This is serious. This is high-end. This is hands-on. This is intensive. Because of that, I'm partnering my friends at Kelby One, who are worldwide leaders in photographic training. I'm going to take a lifetime of experience and basically give it to 12 people. We're going to do a deep dive into the exhilarating, frustrating, unpredictable world of photography. This workshop is hyper-focused, one-on-one journey with me for 6 relentless days. It's not a vacation, it's not a photo tour, it's real-world masterclass. You might not ever view photography as a way to make your living. That's okay. What you need to succeed as a photographer is confidence. Confidence to approach the camera, to approach a client, to deal with a difficult subject. Someone who understands what it means to fight for an image and know that you will fail. Failure is part of this. As it's been said, failure is a form of progress, and I can tell you over 40 years I've made a lot of progress. Our setting, we'll be working in the studio, but also on location, in environments that will, as they say nicely, will challenge you, okay? I prefer to look at it as a photographer as a location that's going to kick my ass. It's going to push you. It's going to challenge you to take the camera into an unfriendly environment and still come out with a photograph. We're going to start with a cocktail soiree, beautiful dinner, and a presentation that I'll create that literally touches on almost every genre of photography. Photojournalism, illustration work, concept-driven photography. I'll be talking about and showing the 15-minute cover try with a celebrity and stories that took months in the field. Day 2 will set the tone. This is the foundation. Photographos, from the original Greek word, to write with light. Lighting is more than just illumination. It's the language of emotion and mood. We're going to journey through the spectrum. We're going to decode both the science and the art of light. We're also going to break apart your portfolios, okay? Think of your portfolio as a car going into the shop. We're going to tear down the engine, take all the parts off, put it back together, and it's going to be faster. Day 3 through 5, it's gloves off, okay? There's going to be daily critiques. There's going to be field work that is absolutely riveting. There's going to be time in the studio and time in the field. Your head will be spinning, okay? This will be a class that is just as eclectic and complex as the world we are sent out to photograph, okay? It's an all-access pass, right? What you are getting is a vault of information. I've covered multiple Olympics for clients like Time, Sports Illustrated, ABC Television. I'm not bragging. If you know me, you know I don't do that. I'm just a guy with a camera, right? I've always felt that about this job of photography. This is hard work, and I continue to push ahead as hard as I possibly can to keep getting better at this. Now I'm going to give you the key to that confidence. Day 6 is Revelation Day. Call it Independence Day. I've seen too many movies, okay? You'll have had an experience by that time where boundaries have been shattered, okay? And you'll celebrate the leaps in your craft. I mean, again, it's not just from here to there, it's off the charts. You will have developed not only a portfolio of pictures, but an arsenal of skills and the audacity to use them. Audacity is a great word because being a photographer in this very difficult world out there, this complex sort of endeavor that we engage in and we love, okay, it's an audacious task. What you are asking people for is to spend time with your view of the world, and the only way you can do that is to make your pictures just go straight to somebody's heart. During the week, I'll be accessible all week, basically, for consultations, okay? Even passing breaks might turn into a tiny piece of wisdom that unlocks something inside of you. I can't tell you how many people have taken a class with me, and one thing, they come back and say, you know, this day, this week, whatever it is, was worth it for that one thing. And this is gonna be an entire week of those one things. And during the week, everything we do, nuances, shoots, lectures, will be put on video that you'll be able to access forever. I've always said I'd rather have a new picture than a new lens. And yes, you have to invest in the camera locker. You need the tools. But this masterclass, this is an investment that multiplies exponentially. You'll gain here knowledge that will not only pay for your next lens, but it will help you create images that keep you going, keep your career alive, keep you passionate. Images that for other people will resonate and inspire. That's hard work, and that's what this class is about. So if you're ready to seize this unparalleled exclusive opportunity, because the next chapter in your photographic journey can start right here, right now. I look forward to witnessing your transformation.